Okay, let's keep talking about making more money and making it faster. So I know I've mentioned this in a number of my videos, but probably the most important thing that you need to do in any endeavor in business to get the most out of it is to make sure you're doing the right thing. Make sure you're doing something that fits well with who you are, what you believe, what you want to accomplish, has a good fit with the skills and experience that you have, and it's something that you enjoy doing and has a strong purpose for you doing it. Because regardless of what you do, regardless of how great things are, there's going to be some downtimes. And the only thing that's going to keep you getting up in the morning and going after it every day is if you're doing something that you really enjoy doing, even though you're not getting the rewards you expect at the time, and that it's fulfilling a purpose that's extremely important to you. So you want to do some good hard thinking and be very honest about it. I know I continually put myself through this process to make sure that I am doing the right thing and to feel comfortable about why I'm doing it. So make sure that you know what you do. If somebody asks you what you do and why you do it, you can answer them spontaneously. You don't have to think about it and throw them some kind of a marketing response. You just say, hey, I'm doing this because this is what I love to do, and I'm doing it because it's important to me for this reason. So make sure that you're doing the right thing, because that way you're not going to give up when times get tough, and times will get tough, and you're going to be excited about what you do when times are good, and even more satisfied, I guess, than excited, because you're actually getting good results from something that you know that you love to do, and that you do it well, and that you're constantly working on helping yourself improve, which is another thing about doing the right thing. If you're doing the right thing, always learn. Make sure that you challenge yourself. Welcome challenges from others. Make sure that you're constantly honest with yourself. Is this really what I want to do? So once you get to that point, once that you know that you're comfortable with who you are and what you're doing, then things will happen to you, so you will be able to make more money and make it faster. So we'll get to more of that in the next videos. Thanks again, as always, for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you got a comment to make, I welcome those. And please share this with other people you think might be interested. Thanks so much.